Hi everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central. Today I'll be showing you how to create a new customer in Business Central. Now, if you are new to Business Central, you would know that customers form the heart of every sales operations that you do on Business Central. So it is very important that from the get-go you include all the important information about your customer when you create them on the platform. So let's go ahead and do that. If you want to access your list of customers, you can go ahead and click on the search tab up here, or you can choose to click on customers here for a quick and easy access. So here is a list of customers. We are going to create a new one. We can go ahead and click on new. And you will have access, if you've done it in your Business Central, to choose a specific customer template that you want to use when setting up a new customer. So in this case, for this one, I have three currently customer template that I'm able to choose from. So right now I'm going to create, let's say, a business to business customer. So I'm going to choose the first one as my template. And then you can click on OK, and it's going to open up the customer card sheet for you, a blank one where you can then go ahead and include all your details about the customer. And as you can see as well, Business Central has already input a customer number automatically here. So we've got that covered. So all you've got to do honestly is go ahead and write in the name and all of the other information that you deem necessary for that specific customer. So you can see here we also have the credit limit that you can choose for that specific customer. We are also going to have the salesperson code and the responsibility center. So this is very important if you want to assign a specific salesperson to that customer. So this is where you will come and choose that person from the list. And as for the responsibility center, it is the same thing. You will have your list to choose here. And you also have other information that you can include here, which is total sales, the department code, and so on. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to then come into the contact section of the customer card. So when creating a new customer in Business Central, very important to add all of the contact information that you have. So whether it is the address, the country, city, province, the zip code, the phone number, the email address, all of those things will come and enrich all of the data that you have for that specific customer. Now, the next thing that I wanted to show you was everything that has to do with the invoice, which is very important when it comes to creating a new customer. So in the invoice, you will see here you're able to add the tax area code. You can add any other specific like the GST or HST registration number and all of that. But what I'm also very interested in is the customer posting group. So the customer posting group, it is actually the general receivables account that you are going to use. So if you click here, you have your list of accounts that you currently have. And we also have the general business posting group, which is actually the general ledger account to use for any sales transaction that you are going to do with a specific customer. So very important to add those here. And we also have the currency code that you can choose here. So if you're working with a customer that works in a different currency, that is very important. I also did another video about setting up multi-currency in Business Central. If you want to check that out, the link will be in the description below. Okay, so let's continue. What we also have here is whether you have the customer discount group, the customer price group, so whether you want to include them in particular pricing or invoicing group, that is again up to you. Next, we have the payment section, which is also very important. So whether you want to include a prepayment percentage, you can go ahead and do it here. And you can also include all of the other information when it comes to the payment for that new customer. So whether it is a reminder term, the payment method, the cash flow payment, the payment terms code, and so on. And if you want more information about what all of these specific fields mean, you can just hover onto one of them and you will have a small description below that will explain to you what that means. And if you want to now have even more information about that specific field, with Copilot, it's very easy because as you can see, we have the option here to ask Copilot. So let's say for the payment method code, you want even more information that you have here. You can click on Ask Copilot and it will open the Copilot chat in Business Central here, where it will automatically go and find information about that specific field that you want to know more about and give you the information here. So as you can see, it has given us the information here and has also given us trusted references that we can go and have a look to have more details about. And the last thing that I just wanted to tell you, that I just wanted to show you is here on the right side where you can add the customer picture if you want to, and you can also have attachment for specific documents if you want to add to that specific customer. So there you have it, guys. This was a quick overview on how to create a new customer in Business Central. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.